Hello to all detailers and resellers of detailing products worldwide. My name is Abdul Kadir. I am from Türkiye and I have been detailer since 2007. I'm making this video to introduce you to a new product that is produced here in Türkiye by the company Befar. Befar is a manufacturer that has been producing polishing pads, microfiber discs, sanding blocks, backing plates and applicators and etc. There are three reasons why we should use the BM finishing pad. The first one is it makes the same job like the branded products. And the second one is, in my opinion, it's more durable than the branded products. And the third one, and the most important one, is it's cheaper than the branded products. We must understand, you have to pay for this pad the half of the price that you have to pay for a branded product. Let us take a close look to the product. As you see, it consists of two layers. This layer is closed pore sponge. It's 15 millimeter thick. This layer is only for pressure reduction and is 10 millimeter thick. The Velcro is absolutely high quality. The hole in the middle, as you all detailers know, it's only for heat reduction. You can order it with hole or without hole, as you like. Yeah? Okay, let me show you a little demonstration of the work with this BM finishing pad and we see us again. So I show you this part that we have not polished, and here we have done the cutting process. This is the look after cutting. You see the swirls and holograms. Okay, and now we start to finish it with BM polishing pad. So here is the result. So okay, as you see, it's a perfect finish. It's the absolutely amazing result. And the question is, why should you pay the twice price for the same work, for the same quality? So if you have any questions, you can go online, go to befar.com.tr and you can write an email to them. I will wrote the email address in the video description, and so you can take contact to them. I hope it was informative for you, so I wish you all best and hope to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.